If you are doing local SEO or trying to grow your business online, there's one simple thing that can literally decide whether you rank on Google or not, and that is NAP consistency. Now I know it sounds a bit technical, but trust me, it's actually very simple. And if you ignore this, even the best SEO strategies won't help you rank properly. So let's understand this in the easiest way possible. NAP basically stands for name, address, and phone number. That's it. It's just a basic business information. For example, your business name, your shop, your office address, and your contact number. Now here's where things get interesting. NAP consistency means your business details should be exactly the same everywhere on the internet. And when I say exactly, I mean even small things matter. Like if you write road in one place and RD in another, or if you use a different phone number somewhere else, that create inconsistency. And this is a big problem because platforms like Google Search and Google Maps don't just trust your website directly. They verify your business information across multiple platforms. So if your details match everywhere, Google start trusting your business. But if your details are different in different places, Google gets confused. And when Google is confused, your ranking drops. Simple as that. Now let's talk about why is actually important for you. First, it builds trust with search engines. Google checks your business details on your website, on your Google business profile, on directories like Just Dial, and even on your social media. If everything matches perfectly, it sends a strong signal that your business is real and reliable. Second, it helps you rank higher in local search results. You know those results you see when you search something like digital marketing near me. That section is heavily influenced by NAP consistency. If your data is clean and consistent, you have a much better chance of appearing there. Third, it improves customer experience. Imagine someone finds your business, but your phone number is wrong or your address is outdated. You just lost a customer without even knowing it. So, this is not just about SEO, this is about real business impact. Now, let's talk about the mistakes most people make. The first mistake is usually different version of the business name. Like sometimes I write ABC solution, sometimes ABC digital solution, sometimes something else. Pick one name and stick to it everywhere. Second mistake is address variation. Street, somewhere ST, road, RD, missing pin codes. These small things matter more than you think. Third mistake is using multiple phone numbers. Don't do that. Use one primary number everywhere. Fourth mistake is not updating old listings. Maybe you changed your location or number, but old listings are still live. That creates confusion. And the fifth mistake is duplicate listings. Sometimes your business appears multiple times on the same platform. That's a big red flag. Now let's get practical. How do you fix this? Step 1. Create a master NAP format. Write your business name, address, and phone number exactly the way you want it to appear. Same spelling, same format, same everything. And then always copy paste from this. Don't type manually again and again. Step 2. Audit your business online. Go to Google search and search your business name. Check every listing you find it and see if your details match. If not, fix them one by one. Step 3. Fix your Google business profile first. This is the most important platform for local SEO. If this is wrong, nothing else will work properly. Step 4. Remove duplicate listings. Either delete them or merge them depending on the platform. And step 5. Keep checking regularly. This is not a one time task. You need to maintain it. Now, if you want, go one step ahead of your competitors. Here are some pro tips. Add your NAP details in your website footer and contact page. Embed your location using Google Maps. Get listed on trusted directories like Just Dial and Suleka. And most importantly, get customer reviews on your Google business profile. All these things together make your local SEO stronger. Now, let me give you a simple comparison. Business A has same NAP everywhere, no duplicates, everything updated. Business B has different phone numbers, old address, and multiple listings. Who do you think Google will trust more? Obviously, business one. And that's exactly how rankings work. So don't ignore this. NAP consistency may look like a small thing, but it's actually the foundation of a local SEO. If this is not correct, nothing else will give you proper results. So instead of just watching the video and moving on, take action today. Search your business, check your listings, and fix your NAP everywhere. And you will start seeing results over time. If you find this helpful, make sure you like the video, and if you want to learn more about SEO, blogging, and how to grow online, subscribe to the channel. And if you want, I can also show you to rank your website step by step. Thank you.